Now, something else that it's really handy is to join lists. What is to join basically is to make them just one big list. So the way to do it is just like adding them, just like the addition sign makes the magic, and it creates a very big list. So what would be the result of adding this list that we've been working with, that is Robert, Chris, Scarlett, Mark, and Jeremy, with the NH list, which that has like these values 55, 38, 35, 52, and 49. The result is gonna be really easy. So first, we're gonna find the first list. That's gonna be Robert, Chris, Scarlett, uh, Mark, and Jeremy, because that's the first list that we just added. And then let me change colors to this. And then we're gonna find the ages. Okay, so it's 55, 38, 35, 52, and 49. Okay, so you just need to remember that the first one, actually this guy over here, is my list, and this part over here, it's the one called H list. Okay, so that's actually how it's done. Okay, it's real simple, but it's how you mix things.